As you can see, we went ahead, we took the other cover off for the time being that we put on it. It's real easy to take off and on. If you remember, I believe it was last year, we just used PEX pipe and put the screws through it to hold it in place. And after we get done, we'll put all that back together. It's letting more light in than, let me turn this off. It's letting a little bit more in than what it was there. I can see now we're definitely going to have to work on our hoses here before garden time starts. We've had to we'll get it took care of. This side here, this catches the late afternoon sun, evening sun. You can tell how dirty it is. Any little bit will help. I know we've had this now, I guess, 4 years? Chuck?
Daniel could tell you. I don't know.
Daniel, how many years we had this now?
4.
4 years, folks. We've lucked out. This is the same plastic that's been on it.
Knock on wood.
Knock on wood. Seems like every weekend we've been having windstorms. Today we've been getting stuff up off the fence and everything. Kyra's out in the house right now. No. Seems like every weekend we got a windstorm coming through now. Thank God we're not as bad as what a lot of people are there. Please keep all them people in your prayers. They've had it rough in places. Hello folks, we're going to get some soil ready this evening here. It's getting kind of late. Yeah, hello. It's getting kind of late. I doubt if we'll get them up potted this evening, but it's getting time. We need to up pot the peppers, and then Lord willing Friday we'll try to start getting our tomato seeds planted. But what I'm going to do, this here is some fine peat moss, and it's a little bit left over from last year. There's already some vermiculite in it, and we're going to add some more perlite today. And just perlite will actually help it retain moisture, but it also will keep it nice and airy, light. This year we're going to try just making all of our pot mix. It may not have been nothing to it last year. It's just from the year before to last year using the same, supposedly same stuff. There was a difference. I mean, you could tell the difference in plants. We had a bag left over from the year before, and compared to what we had last year, I mean, don't get me wrong, our plants look good and everything. It's just, it wasn't what we was accustomed to. Now what was wrong with it, I don't know. But we're going to try it this year. Maybe a complete flop this year. Next year we may, if we're still alive, Lord, we're not doing that again. But hopefully it'll be okay. And what we're going to do, these seedlings, of course we've told you we're going to be adding lab to them, but also for the seedlings, we're not going to add no fertilizer to the mix right now. We're going to actually, we watched a video, and when you start to make lab, the first step is you soak rice in water. Well, then later on you'll add the milk to finish the process in the lab, let that sit. But anyway, been doing some reading, and just plain rice water, soak the rice. It is a pretty good fertilizer in itself. It won't burn your seedlings or anything. It'll give them a good little boost to help strengthen the stems and everything. Just, you don't want to hurt your little babies. You've put a lot of time and effort in it. You want to take care of them, and you want to try to do what's best for them. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to get ready and add some perlite to this here. Now I didn't measure this out. These tubs, I think I've told you before, you can buy them at Lowe's, Home Depot. They're masonry tubs for you to mix mortar mix in and everything. What I'll do while I'm outside and everything, we like to mix our dirt in those. And I've got another one over here. Now if you got room in the greenhouse, you can just set it in there, but if you don't, till you come back the next time, take your other and set on top, and take you some of those clamps, looks like great big clothespins, put on there, and it'll hold it in place, keep the rain out of it. Of course, the way the wind's blowing here lately, it may haul them off, I don't know. But I'm gonna get started and get Carolyn some dirt made up, and we'll show you when we go to start uppotting the peppers what it looks like then. Now folks, this perlite, vermiculite also. Now if it's dry, areas of powder, whatever you do, don't breathe that powder in. This here actually dampened it a little bit to where it doesn't have the dust with it. Just a little hint there. I don't want nothing to happen to you guys. Alrighty, let's get it mixed up. Alrighty folks, also I like to put a little bit of water in here since it's going to be tomorrow. We'll let that there get good and moist, and then that way it'll take in water a little bit better. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. You all have a blessed day. Lord willing, I'll be seeing you next week. And happy Easter, folks. Hope y'all have a great day.